Picture yourself stepping into a world of entrepreneurship. Ideas whirling, adrenaline pumping, and of course, paperwork looming. The start of a business is like the first chapter of a gripping novel, and one document plays a major role, the business license. But what exactly is a business license? Before we answer that question, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. In simple terms, a business license is a permit issued by a governmental agency that allows individuals or companies to conduct business within the government's geographical jurisdiction. It's the governmental nod, so to speak, giving you the green light to set your entrepreneurial wheels in motion. Here's an interesting fact for you. As of this year, it's estimated that there are well over 30 million small businesses in the United States. Think about it. Each one started with someone filling out paperwork for their business license. And why are they so important? Without a business license, you would be operating illegally and could be subject to penalties, or even be shut down. The requirement for a business license applies to both brick-and-mortar businesses and online ones. As of this year, nearly 24% of small businesses in the US are operated solely online, but all require some form of licensing to function lawfully. It's not just about compliance either. Having a business license adds credibility to your business. It shows your customers that you are a legitimate entity that complies with local laws and regulations. So if you're planning on starting a business, remember to make acquiring a business license one of your top priorities. Not only will it keep you on the right side of the law, but it could also be the very ticket that helps you stand out in the bustling world of entrepreneurship. It's your first step to making your entrepreneurial dreams come true. To take care of all your business licensing needs in one place, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to secure licensing over the phone. Our number is 877-955-7111. Also, is there a certain type of license that you're confused about? If so, drop a comment below so one of our experts can help you out. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.